Hello. Today, I want to take you on a journey into the heart of corporate strategy, the internal analysis. While much of strategy focuses on markets, competitors, or global trends, no company can succeed without first understanding itself, its value creation processes, its resources, and its relative position against competitors. Let us break this internal analysis into four main components before concluding with a tool you all know well. First, we must zoom out. The global value chain, GVC, situates a firm within the broader network of international production, distribution, and consumption. Take the example of Apple. Its innovation and design may be rooted in California, but its manufacturing spans across Asia, logistics flows through global shipping networks, and its sales ecosystem extends worldwide. By analyzing the GVC, a company can identify where value is created globally, where costs are concentrated, and where risks such as geopolitical tensions or supply disruptions may arise. For strategy, the key question is, where should the firm position itself in the chain to capture the highest value? Now we zoom in. Michael Porter's value chain framework helps us understand how value is created inside the firm. It distinguishes between primary activities, inbound logistics, operations, marketing, sales, and after-sales services. Support activities, technology development, human resources, procurement, and infrastructure. For example, Zara creates value not only through its retail stores, but also through its world-class logistics and design processes, which enable ultra-fast fashion cycles. By analyzing the value chain, managers can identify which activities are sources of cost efficiency and which are sources of differentiation, a crucial step in shaping competitive advantage. But activities are not enough. We must also examine the firm's resources and capabilities. A resource audit allows us to identify tangible assets, factories, financial capital, intangible assets, brand reputation, patents, culture, and human resources, skills, expertise, leadership. Here, the VRIO framework, value, rarity, imitability, and organization becomes essential. It helps us assess whether a resource can provide sustained competitive advantage. For instance, Coca-Cola's global brand equity is valuable, rare, difficult to imitate, and well organized internally, making it a true strategic asset. Of course, internal analysis must be relative. A resource or process only becomes a strength if it outperforms what competitors can achieve. Let's consider Tesla and its closest competitors in the electric vehicle space. Tesla's strength lies not only in its battery technology, but also in its software integration and global charging infrastructure. When compared with legacy car makers, these elements show clear differentiation. But competitors are catching up, which forces Tesla to continuously innovate. Thus, benchmarking against the closest competitor ensures the company avoids complacency and identifies areas of both advantage and vulnerability. Now, how do we bring all of this together? The SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, synthesizes internal and external perspectives. Strengths come from the value chain and resource audit, what the firm does well and what it owns that others cannot easily replicate. Weaknesses emerge when internal processes or resources are lacking relative to competitors. Opportunities are identified through the global value chain and external market scanning. Where can the firm expand, reposition, or innovate? Threats include competitive pressures, technological disruption, and vulnerabilities in global supply chains. A well-executed SWOT analysis is not just a summary, it is a bridge. It connects internal insights to external realities, providing a foundation for crafting strategy that is both realistic and forward-looking. In conclusion, internal analysis is about clarity. Clarity on where value is created, what resources truly matter, how the firm stands against competitors, and how it all translates into strategic strengths and weaknesses. By integrating these insights into a SWOT analysis, companies can build strategies that are not only ambitious but also grounded in reality. Thank you.